Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a new Bennington that just arrived. This is a beautiful boat. This is an M22. It's in the anthracite color with a blackout luxe package, and we've got a satin black accent, blackout Bennington logos. This is the tritoon with the SPS package. This is a beautiful boat. It's in the interior color is in this Modesto brown. We've got the YAMAHA 175 super high output here on the transom. We've got a beautiful extended aft deck, great for getting in and out of the water. This amazing lily pad ladder, super easy to deploy and retrieve. Makes it really easy to get on board. Speaking of that, let's hop on board and take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 22M. This is a beautiful boat. We've got these gorgeous chase lounges on the front. Like I said, this is a Modesto brown with an espresso accent. Gorgeous interior. I mean, this thing just pops. We've got the diamond stitching in there. We've got the flip down armrest, front table here. Here at the helm, we have a raised helm with our Bennington Vivid UX screen here for all of our digital readout on our engine. We've also got a Garmin Echo map. We've got the soft touch buttons here for all of your lighting. And we also have a Rockford Fosgate head unit and Rockford Fosgate sound system. This is a great helm with a lot of storage in it. You've got a pocket down here. We've also got a wireless phone charger up here. Got a beautiful co-captain's chair. Got a swing back here. Love this layout. Makes it super easy to just relax in the sun. You pick this up, flip that back. You can sit here and lounge, soak up the sun with your friends. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. I'd love to have you come see it in person. If you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.